Good morning. How is everybody today? Today is February 1st, 2025. I am currently in Punta Gorda, Florida, and I am heading to the Charlotte County Fair. Sorry, I'm trying to adjust the AC because what a difference 135 miles makes. Holy crap. Yesterday I had on a jacket and sweatpants, and by the end of the day I was wearing a t-shirt and shorts because anyways, so last night, well, first things first, it's a county fair. I expect there to be another face painter. Okay, that's one. Two, it was busy. It wasn't busy for me, but it was busy. There was approximately 5 kids that I saw because I was paying attention to people's faces. There was approximately 5 kids that I saw that had their faces painted and not by me. That was it. There is another face painter who does not have a very good spot, in my opinion. But that's my opinion. And then there is someone who does 3-minute designs after a show. But I saw one face by the person at the show, and then I saw maybe 4 other people painted from the other face painter. And I know this because I went by both of them on my way out last night. So yeah, however, I have a good spot. I am near stuff. The one lady is over by the animals. Hold on, I gotta get over. So right now I'm heading back to the Charlotte County Fair because I felt that my back needed to be in a bed last night and not in the car, and that I should get a hotel because I have a 11-hour day today. And I also found out that the one, I don't know about the other one, but the one face painter is charging $15. And I don't know which one is which. Actually, no. The one face painter that is over by the animals is charging $15. That's the one. That's right. I don't know about the other one. I got nothing. Anyways. Excuse me. So last night was okay. On my way out, like I said, I walked by to see what the other people, because somebody said, you have the face painting booth. Like, yours looks professional, yours looks nice, yours is the way it's supposed to be. The other lady, and I don't know which one they were referring to, but the other lady, no. And I was like, oh, okay. So, yeah, there was that. I mean, but I have, my tent looks cool. It has lights. It has many designs to choose from. It has bubbles. And I have found out that not just kids like bubbles, because adults walk by and they pop bubbles. Like, okay, give a kid a balloon and, you know, do a trick. Do it again. Do it again. Do it again. Give an adult a balloon and they turn into 5-year-olds. I don't care. I've seen it with my own 2 eyes. You give an adult a balloon. If you take a round balloon, just a regular balloon, and you put it out there to somebody who, like, whether that's at a bar or a restaurant, people are going to play balloon volleyball. It's what they do. I've learned this, and it never fails. It's like, yeah. Anyways, so there's that. Anyhow, yeah. Sorry, I'm just looking at the scenery. I've never really been down this way before. I might have been down this way one other time in my life. Like, yeah. So, even though it's a bit foggy this morning, the fog is starting to burn off, but it's still a little foggy, and it is 10:30 in the morning. So, but it's that time of year. Like, in the fall and pre-spring to spring, it gets foggy because of the way the temperature is. But anyhow, I'm really not trying to ramble here. So I'm heading back there. Today is from 12 to 11, and hopefully we're going to have a good day. Hopefully. That's the goal anyway. Hopefully this weekend I will make the money for the Central Florida Fair, and this week I will make the money for the bills. And I only say hopefully because statistically speaking, what you should, maybe it's not statistically, I don't even know if it's logistically speaking, but anyways, you should, I've been through this explanation in a past video, but I should, no problem, make plenty of money at this event. I just don't know. I've never been to this event before, so I don't know. But I feel confident that I will make back my vendor fee, the rest of my vendor fee today. So, yeah. Yeah. So there's that. But you know, I guess we'll see. So, anyhow, I hope everyone has a great day. Stay tuned, and I will give you an update. Alrighty, thanks for watching, guys. Okay, I wanted to mention that because I forgot to mention this earlier, but I wanted to let you guys know I did get my microphones ordered. And for those of you who do TikTok, there's a thing going around where you have a tripod that moves with you. I ordered that as well. It should be here by the end of next week. Like by Valentine's Day or something. So, hopefully that will help content. We'll see. So, we'll be back. Hi, everybody. Well, today is day 3 at the Charlotte County Fair. And so far it's been a good weekend. This afternoon was very busy, so that was good. And I'm waiting to see what happens tonight. It's 7:30, I guess, and we close at 10, so I guess we'll see. Tonight I have to drive home and pick up my dogs because in case they need to show the house while I'm out of town, the dogs cannot be there, and I cannot run home every night. So, fortunately, I almost have the money for the Central Florida Fair. And, oh, I ordered the wind canceling microphones. So they will be here this week. And whatchamacallit, I'm sorry. So starting tomorrow, I'll have the dogs with me. But other than that, as soon as I get the money for the Central Florida Fair, I have to pay that and then work on the phone bill and the electric bill and the water bill and, you know, just bills in general. So fingers crossed we can do something here. All right, we'll see you guys soon.